Are you just getting started in magic and want to amaze your friends? Then you'll love Mystery Box. Here's what happens. You show your audience a completely empty box. There is absolutely nothing inside. Then you close the box and make a magical gesture. When you reopen the mystery box, your audience will be amazed to find it completely filled. You can make just about anything appear inside the mystery box. Money, candy, cards, toys, and so much more. Mystery Box includes everything you need to get started right away. The online video instructions will teach you all the secrets of Mystery Box. You will learn the secret to make Mystery Box work, how to perform Mystery Box. Also includes a scripted story to help you entertain your audience and friends. Carry it with you everywhere you go. Mystery Box is self-working, easy to learn, and easy to perform. You will be able to perform with 100% confidence. Apprentice Magic welcomes you to Mystery Box.